Make a U-turn. In 1,000 feet, slide left, take the next left, sharp left, turn right on, continue on, in a quarter mile, at the light, in 600 feet, turn right on.
You have reached your destination.
Yup. All right, so I'm avoiding the overhead in my car, the headliner, and I'm just getting stuff done that I need to get done at some point while I figure out the headliner. And I'm doing battery boxes for the front, battery enclosures. All right, so I got these suckers, the 5x8s, 6x9s. I don't know what the hell they are. That I'm going to put in the front in the triangular areas. And what Harman Kardon or whatever it is, nice speakers. Sure as hell paid enough for it. And so I've got a speaker plus a tweeter integrated, yada yada yada, and I've got 2 levels plus the actual what it sits on. And pull this apart gently. Hold on. This is my original. I dorked this up pretty good. So I'm not going to be using this. And there's the other one over there, right? So it could be firewood from a fire pit. But you can see that I started off with some nice plywood. And I put these pieces over that. I'm going to pause again. And back to it. You may ask yourself why I'm doing this and why I'm building some sort of a weird enclosure that I will then cover with the speaker mesh I got off of Amazon, because these things don't come with a speaker grill. That's a Harman Kardon, I think. They don't come with a speaker grill, so I had to do what I had to do, and I like to build, fabricate, overcome, adapt, and so forth. So there you go. So I'm going to glue everything together except for the crappy bottom piece. I'll take the speaker back out. And like I say, there you go. That's what that one looks like. I could have done the same thing with a router, but I don't own one. And tomorrow, once it's all dry and bonded, I'll paint it black without the speaker in it, and then make it smooth and look pretty, and I'll put the speaker mesh grill stuff over it, and you'll congratulate me for my awesome-tude. Okay, well, this is a couple more hours. I've used Bondo to smooth out the rough edges on the sides and within here. I got a little bit more, I think, sanding to do in there. The rest of it looks pretty nice. I'm not going to worry about the back. So, that's what belt sander, that puppy, and a whole bunch of that, and some of that will do for you. Oh, I see something I gotta fix. God damn it. Now again, speakers get put in there, and over this, I'm gonna put speaker grill mesh. So it looks like it's one big, large speaker, I guess. Before I do all that, though, I'm gonna paint this matte black. I got a bunch of that I might as well get rid of and do something with. So, and some primer, actually, now that I think of it. So I'll do that as well, and let it soak in overnight, and then get to the painting. Well, I'm done with this. Here's how they turned out. I got a little bit scratched up because I've been fiddling with the mesh there, but painted. I thought about repainting it so it's a matte black, but I now see that you don't see it. This one does have the speaker mounted. You can kind of see it in there. And there it is on the back. So using a pair of scissors and some mesh I bought from Amazon. This stuff bends really easily. And there you go. I kind of wish I'd use this for my grill. It's that easy to manipulate, but once I'm done here, I'm going to staple it to the back of the board here. I didn't paint that, as you can see. I'll be damned if I can find my stapler, so I'll have to buy a new one, I guess. And that's it. So, not bad. Somewhere like here is where I'll put the sticker that says Infinity. These puppies. That's it. Oh, okay, I've been meaning to do this, but I just haven't done it. I put the back strip on the back, as you can see. I will eventually make slight slits so it folds over and stays nicely like it should. Because I already could, just about, actually. Yeah, well, Jesus. I thought about that. Anyway. There it is. It looks a little funky over there because it's not bent over the lip, but once it's there, it'll be nicely done. Need to smooth this out a little bit. Oops. Oh, whatever. I'll do that again, maybe with some steam. I've already test fit the parcel shelf I've been working on. It looks really nice there. So in the meantime, I've already cut out. Let's see, where is it? Mounted that. Cut out the carpet for the back there. If I can do that and the back sides, I can permanently mount that the parcel shelf and if I can just get it out of my way. Then I gotta get back to the guiding headliner and fix that, unfetter that. Yeah. Anyway, so I'll finish this in post tonight.